panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Today's the day to open our new LS2 helmet. I just bought this recently, and as you can see, the box reads always ahead. Wow. So I bought this for only 2,300 pesos, distributed in Europe. Wow. Matte black in color in XL size. So now let's download their QR code scanner so that we can view the manual for our new LS2 helmet. Okay, we just have to install it right there. So now let us unbox our new LS2 helmet. This is very exciting because in the picture this really looks amazing. Wow. Now there is a helmet bag right there. Inside this is our new helmet. Okay. And what should this be? Oh, I don't really know that much. So if you know what that is, please comment down below. Okay, wow. Now here's our brand new LS2 helmet. Whoa, this is so great. You know why I really love the color? It's really matte black. Right there. It's really good in quality. It says there we have to download the manual through that QR code right there. Alright. Take a look at this. Wow, LS2. Later in this video, we will be showing how to download the manual generated through our QR code scanner. Here are my photos taken a while ago with the new LS2 helmet. This cool helmet says always ahead right there. Now we will open it. Let's see what the visor looks like. Right there. Our brand new helmet with its very clear visor. Now let's try on our new helmet if it really fits us. So there, it really fits perfectly. As you can see, there are these adjustables on the right and the left side. So you can just adjust your visor to whatever comfortable level you want. Right there. There are a lot of features that this helmet has, and I recommend this to those who want a simple but sophisticated helmet, especially to those newbies like me. This is really a great choice. Now let's check the inside of our LS2 helmet. So there are foams everywhere, so it's really safe. And here, as we lock it, it's very easy to lock and unlock it. Here we check out what's really inside. So there's foam in there. Thank you very much to Xiao Multigears for this amazing LS2 helmet. Okay, now we are going to download the manual through our QR code scanner downloaded a while ago. Here we can see its URL. You just have to copy it and open the browser. Okay, we are led to this one. Wow, I'm your new LS2 helmet. You have to select our manual. Since this is Rookie, we just have to click Rookie right there. Found it. And download it right away.